Imagine the situation where your company owns 500 fixed assets. Auditors arrive and ask, show me the fixed asset register. You open Excel, rows, columns, multiple sheets, and outdated entries. Then come the most difficult question, where is the asset physically? And suddenly nobody knows. Today, I'm going to show you how companies are moving from traditional asset registers to QR code based asset tracking system and how this can save hours of audit time, eliminate asset confusion. Traditionally, fixed asset registers are maintained in Excel or accounting software. The process usually looks like first, the accountant records the asset in Excel. They enter asset name, purchase date, purchase value, location, depreciation date. Then every year depreciation is calculated manually, either using formulas or separated depreciation sheets. But the real problem starts later because Excel registers create four major issues. Problem number one, manual errors, where small mistakes in formulas can cause a wrong depreciation values, and these errors often remain unnoticed for years. Problem number two, no physical tracking. Excel tells you the asset exists, but it doesn't tell you where it is actually is. Is the laptop in head office, branch office are missing? Nobody knows. Problem number three is difficult audit verification. That is, during audit, teams must physically verify the assets, which means walking around offices checking the asset list manually. This takes hours of or even days. Multiple versions. Different departments maintain a different sheets, which create a version confusion, and nobody knows which register is correct. So while Excel works, it doesn't design for modern asset management. So introducing the modern solution what is the solution? A smart digital fixed asset register combined with QR code tracking. Let me show you how it works. So I'm just logging into the application. Just add the fixed asset. So FA001 Dell laptop, select category computer and purchase date, let's say December. Location Chennai. Insurance applicable, yes. So insurance starts from January 1st. December. Insurance expiry day XYZ. Insurance POL. Depreciation. So once it is relating to computers and data processing, I'm just selecting this. So 3 years this one. So I'm just selecting WDV. So maintenance is applicable. Yes, last maintenance date. So I've done the maintenance on 15th. Next maintenance date is 15. Select frequently, quarterly to Arjun. Assignment date, Dell laptop, serial number 234567890. Attach photo, Dell laptop, add asset. Instead of manually searching the depreciation rates, the system automatically calculates the company's schedule to depreciation. For example, computer's useful life is 3 years, SLM rate is 31.67%, and WDV is 63.16%. So the depreciation calculations are fully automated. So once the assets are added, the dashboard. So you can also see asset distribution by asset category wise, asset location wise, asset status. This give the management instant visibility of company assets, something Excel simply can't provide. Now comes the most interesting feature, that is every asset automatically generate a QR code. Okay, so for this, for example, in our case, we already added a laptop. So here the automatically a QR code, instantly you can see the asset details there. You just click this QR code. Okay, so once the QR code is enabled for you, so no login required, the page shows still simply. You just take your phone and scan this. Okay, So I'm just scanning this through my phone. So I've just shared that scan link with you. Yeah. So start scanning. So scan from the image, choose file. So I'm just uploading this QR code here. So yeah, it is automatically a result is generated. Just click the link, see see do it by using phone scanner, or in case if your phone scanner is not available, use some online QR code scanners where it will scan automatically. See, this page shows asset name, purchase date, value, location, depreciation details. This makes physical verification extremely faster. Auditors no longer need to check Excel sheets. They simply scan the asset. See, everything has come ownership. It is whom it is found, and when the assignment date and basic information, location, maintenance, when is the last maintenance. So when you review also, it would be very easy for you. So how many years it is owned, what is the depreciation and a WDV, and what is the depreciation and SLM. So what is the serial number for deal. So who is added, user number two. So yeah, photo is also it's coming. So you can, so the system also generate a professional depreciation reports. Now I'm just going into the second part, that is go to the depreciation reports, where we can just simply select that whether if you want a depreciation in income tax act or companies act. Just open the opening value depreciation value. The report is automatically calculate the opening value depreciation for the period and closing value, and generate a complete Excel depreciation schedule exactly as format is required by accountants and auditors. So I need an annual, April to financial, and I need for 25-26, and yeah, I need as per companies act first. So generate the report, download the Excel. So if you see in this asset code, asset name, computer, when it was done, so what is the depreciation, so what is the depreciation charged for one period. So automatically it is showing here successfully. So it is, we took an asset straight line basis, so method the straight line will come. If you if you compare with the traditional Excel and QR asset system, where that manual entries, in traditional Excel the more manual entries will be there. In QR asset code, automated asset management, this is a manual depreciation, automatic companies rate depreciation, no physical tracking, QR based tracking, difficult audits, instant verification. So instead of managing assets in spreadsheets, companies can now manage using the smart asset tracking system. So in this video, we saw how modern businesses can move from traditional fixed asset registers to smart QR based asset management system. This approach improves accuracy, transparency, audit efficiency, asset tracking, and most importantly, it saves a huge amount of time for accountants and auditors. Thank you for action.